Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and change the payment method of your Roblox account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this method works for both mobile and PC, so you could just go ahead and follow along. Now inside your Roblox account, you could just go ahead and find the gear icon right here. In my case, I have it in the upper right corner of my screen. So just go ahead and click on the gear icon, and inside the gear icon, just go ahead and look for settings. Inside the settings category, you could just go ahead and look for the payment method option that we have right here. So just go ahead and click on it, and inside you will then be able to see the payment methods that you have. So if you already have a payment method saved inside your Roblox account, you could just go ahead and change it from this page right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.